to Cars Jade Channel. Today we delve into the essence of automotive excellence with the 2026 Audi SQ6. The Audi SQ6 makes its debut as a 2026 model, introducing a fresh chapter in Audi's electric vehicle lineup. With its first unveiling in 2024, this innovative SUV highlights Audi's commitment to blending cutting-edge EV technology with dynamic performance. The 2026 Audi SQ6 is more than just an EV, it's a statement. Offering impressive performance, advanced technology, and a luxurious interior, this all-electric SUV has the potential to set a new standard in its class. For drivers seeking a sophisticated yet exhilarating driving experience, the Audi SQ6 delivers in spades. Step inside the 2026 Audi SQ6, and you'll find a cabin that exudes sophistication and modernity. Audi's soft-wrap design philosophy integrates high-quality materials with futuristic tech elements, creating a balance between comfort and innovation. Interior highlights. Panoramic display. The dashboard features a seamless panoramic screen layout that enhances the EV's modern aesthetic. Spacious comfort. Thanks to its extended wheelbase, over 3 inches longer than the Q5, the SQ6 provides a roomy passenger compartment. Frunk storage. While the rear cargo space is slightly limited compared to other EV SUVs, the SQ6 compensates with a small front trunk for additional storage. The result is a cabin that feels luxurious and high-tech without sacrificing comfort. Under the hood, or rather, beneath the sleek exterior, the SQ6 packs a dual-motor setup delivering 483 horsepower for everyday driving. Activate Boost Mode, and this beast unleashes a jaw-dropping 510 horsepower, giving drivers an exhilarating surge of power for short bursts. The SQ6 doesn't just impress with numbers. It delivers a smooth, composed ride thanks to adaptive dampers and air springs. Dynamic driving mode sharpens its responses, making it more aggressive than its Q6 E-Tron counterpart. For added personalization, regenerative braking can be adjusted to suit your driving preferences. One quirky touch. Artificial engine sounds are included to enhance the driving experience. Don't like them? You can turn them off for a more authentic EV feel. The price of the 2026 Audi SQ6 is expected to start around $74,195 and go up to $85,000 depending on the trim and options. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Until next time, drive safe and stay adventurous.